Have you heard that the body needs oxygen? Okay, that's not a rumor, it's true. Now, we as humans, we create stories in our minds, not based in reality, and we think that's real. Okay? And that's how you've been trained, so there's nothing wrong with it. So when you're trained, if you're at, let's pretend you're at a keynote. Okay. So let's pretend that you're at a keynote, and all of a sudden the speaker sees you yawning. What story could you create in your mind about what the keynote's going to think? What story could you create? You're bored, okay? Never going to happen in one of my keynotes. Yes? You feel comfortable with, we are saying, I appreciate that. Okay, so she feels comfortable with that. Here's the deal. Because yawning is important, I don't want you to be that person that if you're yawning and I make eye contact with you, the person, and then you see me like, and like you suppress the thing that your body's trying to do because we don't breathe anywhere near the amount we're supposed to. People do shallow breathing, and your body's like, I'm begging you to give me some air. All right, so you know what? Let's get a little yawning going. So we're gonna do what's called the yawn wave. You know what you do with the regular wave? Okay, so we're gonna do a yawn wave. Nicely done. Oh, you already started. Okay, so ready? Watch how this is gonna go. Ready? All right, good. Now it's slowly working this way. I love the people who are like, I'm not going to yawn. Okay, let's go a little this way. And then we'll just send it over this way. Why are you fighting? Oh, she's going, no, like I have anything to do with that. She's like, no. Okay. Yeah, no, it's okay. Air's good. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.